everyone, it's Sunday. I just got up, fed the dogs, opened the blinds, and the bedroom blind just fell off the wall. I've literally had these blinds for like 3-4 months, and it's just fallen completely off the wall. And it's not like a massive deal, I can get it fixed. The thing that bothers me, and this is ridiculous, is that I always have this weird fear of like someone looking through the window, which is just, I know it's ridiculous. And I've got 6-foot fences all around the back. And my house is not overlooked. Like, you can't like see in anywhere. But I've always had this like weird, irrational fear of like someone looking through the window while I'm asleep. So I might have to just be brave and deal with that tonight, because I can't see those blinds going up anytime soon. I've emailed the place that I bought them from. I'm not going to say the name of them on here. I'm not going to bash them on here. But hopefully they're going to come out and put the blind back on the wall, because I don't want the bogeyman looking at me while I'm asleep. Does anyone else have any irrational fears? Like that, the bogeyman thing, that is a ridiculous thing that I've always had. Like, I can't sleep with my windows open in the summer because we live in a bungalow. So I think, what if someone like jumps the fence? It's a 6-foot fence. What if someone jumps the fence and climbs over the little greenhouses and gets me in the night? But I also have an irrational fear of sinkholes. Have you ever seen those videos where there's a car just driving down the road and it just, like, the earth just swallows it up? And again, I know it's just beyond stupid, but I do have a thing about sinkholes. Like, people's whole houses, you wake up and you're just in a hole. Okay, maybe I need help for that. But what do everyone must have irrational, like it's stupid fears. Let me know, is it just me? I hope everyone's okay. It's Friday today. It's half term this week, and we've had some nice days. The weather has been terrible. It's been absolutely rubbish. So there's a few things that we would have done that we just didn't do, just because the weather was so rubbish. But we've been out for dinner. We've done some cooking. I've been shopping, and today we were going to go. It's Friday today. Did I just say that? We were going to go to the cinema today. And when I woke up, it was like 9:40. Well, I do not know what happened there, because that never happens. So we can't go to the cinema this afternoon. We were going to go this morning, but we can't go this afternoon because I've got a Tesco shop coming. So we're going to go on Sunday instead. There's a showing at 2. I'm going to watch the new Planet of the Apes film. So today the new Walking Dead comes out today. The new spin-off of The Walking Dead. I can't remember what it's called. It's the one with Rick and Michonne. So we're going to watch that. We're on season 8 of Dexter. So we've nearly finished that. And it's just been a quiet week, really. We've spent some time with Mum, which has been really nice. I've had a bit of a this has been my annoyance for this week. So in February, so in January we went to Great Ormond Street. They said Jade's grown and needs a new back for the wheelchair, like a wider, bigger back, for it to be more comfy. So we did a referral and we got seen in mid-February. So that's 14 weeks ago. So I finally chased it up, thinking like, they have backlogs. I know how it is. The NHS is completely underfunded, under-resourced, understaffed. But after 14 weeks, you would think that, someone would know what they're doing, and this wheelchair back is on its way. Rang them up. So they've been taken over. The company that does the wheelchair parts been taken over by another company. And they've lost all the orders that were on back order, and we've got to start from scratch. Now it's took them 3 days to finally give me an answer of, oh yeah, we haven't actually got that. So I said to her, I was like, oh. So we've waited 14 weeks for this new bit back of the wheelchair, and now we've got to go back to step 1 and get measured again and get. It's so frustrating. It's so frustrating. I don't know if anyone else. I mean, if you have a child that has a wheelchair or any kind of medical equipment, let me know especially if you're in Lincolnshire, if you're experiencing this at the same time, because it's so frustrating that you have to fight for everything, and it's like you don't get heard unless you actually not lose your shit, but actually go, no, I'm not, this is not acceptable. So if you sit there and go, oh right, oh yeah, okay, oh yeah, okay, and just wait and wait and wait, you'll be waiting forever and a day. But then when you go, no, I'm not having this, it's not okay, like then they get something done, but that's not how it should be done. But that's just the way it is. Ooh, so we have an appointment again for the 10th of June for Jade to get re-measured for the back of the wheelchair. And I said, is this going to take another 14 weeks? She was like, oh, I don't really know. So it is like banging your head against a brick wall when it comes to fighting for equipment. I think I've said this before. And it wasn't the woman's fault on the phone, It's just bad luck for her that she ended up talking to me. But it's very frustrating when you're constantly fighting for equipment and you're chasing your tail, and you can't. It's not like I can just go out and buy the back of a wheelchair. Like, it's not something you can just find in a shop. So you're constantly relying on someone else to do their part to get the ball rolling. So that is a bit frustrating, but I guess we'll just have to roll with it. So we were going to go to the cinema, as I said. We had a lay-in. I'm not sure what happened. So now we are going to have a little at-home spa day. So I'm going to do like a wash and blow dry of Jade's hair, nails, eyebrows. Not mine, obviously, because I haven't really got any. and just have a nice little day like that. So that's going to be today. It's Friday. Tomorrow mum's coming. Look, I don't know what to do with my hair, so I'm trying to grow it. I had it cut really short at the beginning of the year and kept having it cut, but now I'm bored of that now, and I'm trying to grow it. So it's like, it's not a bob, but it's not short. I mean, I've not even brushed it, but do you know what was this? Anyway, right, so I'm going to get ready for the day. See what Tesco's brought. So this is 31st of May today. I actually can't remember how much I spent. I think it was 90 quid, 80 quid. But I'll go through it now. Start from this side. So I have had a look in the freezer, and I never normally buy freezer stuff because I've got bits of this and bits of that. So we needed a really good restock of the freezer. So what I've got is, and there's been a couple of nights in the last couple of weeks where I've just gone, I don't know what to make. Even though I did the meal planner, I don't know what to make. I can't be arsed. Let's just have something easy. So now I've actually got a few bits that are easy. And I bought most of these because they were on offer. I think the items that I got, there was like 85, 86 items, and 45 of them were like Tesco club card price or a special offer like 3 for 2. So let's have a look. So we've got fish fingers, because who doesn't love a good fish finger? I really begrudge paying the bird's eye what prices, because they're just so expensive. Fish finger's a fish finger. Chicken, I'm gonna make some chicken burgers for Jade with them, and chicken Kievs for Jade. Again, I'll just split them up and put them in the freezer separately. I don't normally like buying oven chips, but I thought I'd give these a go in the air fryer. I've not done chips in the air fryer yet, like oven chips anyway. Before I did my little what's it called, stock take, yeah, stock take. I didn't realise there were 12 of these already in the freezer, so that's going to last for a good 4 or 5 dinners. Scampi, the fish, not the dog. Just got that for Jade. Now these deep dish pizzas, I think they were £1.25 each. So that's, I mean, that's 4 dinners there. And then just Tesco pizza. I read somewhere, or I saw it on the programme, that if you buy a frozen version of the same pizza, like if it's in the chilled aisle, and there's the same pizza in the frozen aisle, it's exactly the same pizza, but the frozen one is cheaper. So I always get the frozen ones. Garlic bread, that was a substitute. I didn't actually want that. That is the vegan kebab. Now, runner beans, chocolate mousse is there for pudding, or Jade can take him to school. Jade's back to school next week. Asparagus, broccoli. Now I'm going to do hot dogs one night. So these are vegan hot dogs. Lincolnshire sausages. Nice and local. And another night I'm going to do chicken thighs. So this is Jade's actual chicken. This is my not chicken. This isn't chicken thighs. Got mashed potato. Oh, we had these last week, but we had the mushroom and I think it was mascarpone. And then Jade had the Bolognese one. So I've got this one this week. And Jade's got chicken and smoked pancetta. Nectarines for school. Cherries. I finally got some cherries. Couldn't find those before. Strawberries. Cheese. Milk. We don't really need much milk. It's only Jade that drinks that milk. Orange juice, butter. And I've got a few. These are only 70p each. Caramel lattes. And then just the normal ones. So that is my frozen and fridge section. And then on this side, kind of buying the same things most weeks. So same old, 6 cans of pop, 6 cans for 180, which is good. Jade's back to school on Tuesday. So I've got these for school. They're like crisp. They're like crisp, but they're made of lentils. They're only 66 calories, so that's really good. And I got these Maryland cookies because they were only £1. And for anyone that was around in the 80s or early 90s, they used to, pot noodle used to do a pot rice. And I loved it as a kid. And I found this last week, and it's only, I think it's on offer at 75p, but it tastes just like it. I've never tasted anything that's similar. Scamps kicking off. And this is from the same range. So these are Millionaire Flapjacks. These are also on offer. They're in £1.25, I think, this week for 5. 2 lots of these. I've got the worst toothache all week. These are probably not even going to touch the sides, but I needed to get some in. Got some more eggs. Need a new can opener. I think I'm a bit heavy-handed with the can opener because I'm left-handed. I have a job doing it. Anyway, so I just bought a cheap one. Some more sweet corn and tuna. Hot dogs for Jade. Mayonnaise. Oh, Jade wanted these. Probably won't like it. I'll end up giving it to the dogs. It's the Sidemen. Some YouTubers Jade likes. Chicken strips. Oat milk. Biscuits. Those Fox's biscuits are on offer. Flips. Jade wanted this. I won't eat this. It's probably a bit spicy for me. Jalapeno and vintage cheddar bloomer. Breakfast. Pack up. Bagels. They're on offer as well. Hot dog buns. Bread. Toilet roll. And then, you know, when you have you need your deodorant, and next week I'll probably need shampoo and stuff as well. And then I've seen a few people on YouTube using this, and we live in a really hard water area, so I'm always getting lime scale. So I'm going to give that a try, and I'll let you know how it goes. The worst lime scale. So this is, again, I can't remember how much this whole shop was, but I know that I got a lot of good deals this week. That's your lot. I also bought this, but I bought this from the co-op when I went to get our prescriptions. They're really nice. CBD infused elderflower mint sparkling premium CBD. Now, it's not like CBD oil or anything else that you might try, but yeah, it tastes quite nice. So that's it. That's the shopping.